Hi, I'm Kat from T Barclay Real Estate, and I'm here at a new listing of mine at 6 Dickenson Drive on Russell Island, Queensland, Australia. So it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house it's on a 587 metre squared corner block. The home is only 5 years old and it's immaculate, and the gardens are gorgeous, and it is fully fenced, so suitable for pets and very private. I'll take you through. Being a corner block, there is a pedestrian gate on Rose Bay Drive. Gorgeous gardens, all very well maintained. So it's a nice big wide entrance door, and when we step in we come to the living area, and we have a air conditioning on the wall, dining area. So this is the garage through here, linen cupboard, and kitchen. All stone bench tops. And there is also a dishwasher. With a door out to a little pergola outdoor area. Then we come through to the main bedroom here. Really big size bedroom. Which also has a walk-in robe and ensuite. And the walk-in robe. So there are TV brackets in every bedroom. And then we come down the hallway here. So this is a queen size bed. Really good size room, ceiling fans. There is a TV bracket here and a built-in. Okay, the bathroom is really spacious and there's a separate bath and shower. Tiles. Also, and a really large mirror there. There is a separate toilet here. This is a queen size bed. Ceiling fan and built-in TV bracket. So all the rooms have insect screens. So from the dining area, there is a lovely little covered sheltered seating area here. So there is a 3,000 litre rainwater tank which is used for the gardens currently. And then here is the Alpha S lithium battery storage. So this is great for saving on your power bill. Also, if there's a power outage, it will switch over to the battery, so you'll never be out of power. You'll see that It's a nice sunny day today, so the battery is 100%. So once it hits 100%, any excess power that's generated will go off to the grid to earn you a tariff. So we are surrounded by council land, very quiet bushland. There's a walking track down that way. So the property is fully fenced, Colorbond. There is a Ring doorbell which is connected to Wi-Fi. So as you step into the property, immediately you're impressed by the beautiful gardens. It's very well maintained. I'll just shut this gate because there are little doggies here. (587 metres squared corner block). There is a single garage, side access from this way, and access into the house through the garage.